Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss on how to create a program that will ask length in meters and then it will convert in feet using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we have here library file in line number 1, sharp include iostream for input output. This library file is very important in every C++ because it will allows us to use basic command like console out, console in, looping statement, arrays, structure. Line number 2, we have here IO mani for input-output manipulator. This library file we will be using for decimal places using namespace std and main. It is the starting point of every C++ program. Double, we have meters and feet, which we initialize to 0. The new line, meter to feet in C++, new line. And then in this line of code, we are asking the user to give length in meters that will be stored in our variable meters. Feet, a type and statement equals meters multiplied by 3.28084. So 1 meter is equivalent to 3.28084 feet. And then it will display for the length in feet, fix, set precision to because we want to have 2 decimal places, feet. And then a new line here and a program. New line return 0, it will return to our operating system. And then we close with the right curly bracket, our main function. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my 2 websites. Let us compile and run. Okay, meter to feet in C++, give length in meters, it's 2.5. The equivalent length in feet is 8.20. Okay, another example. Let us run. Let's say 6.34. Equivalent length in feet is 20.80. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of meter to feet in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.